wrong. I don't wanna be right. If being right means being without you, I'd rather live wrong than right. Your mom and dad said it's a shame, it's a downright disgrace. As long as I got you by my side, I don't care what your people say. Your friends telling you it's no future in loving a married man. If I can see you when I want, I see you when I can't. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong to fall so deeply in love with you, knowing I got my wife and 2 little children depending on me too? And are you wrong to give your love to a married man? And am I wrong to try to hold on to the best that I ever had? If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. I don't wanna be right. If it means being without you, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Okay, so, Brian, the first thing is that you have personality for days. So from watching your postcard, your personality is alive, and Jamaica will love that. It was a fair performance. It started a little slow, and I think that there's so much more that we can see and get of you, but it was a good beginning.
Alaine.
Hi, Brian, welcome. We're happy you come with your dirty pants and your shirt because you brought your clean voice, right? So here you are. And we welcome you. And I thought that was a good start. I just think that we just have to really just work on you, just moving, just connecting more, even though it was good, but it can get better. And it's just experience that's going to bring it out. You have a great raspy tone. All of the women were like, ooh, ah. So yes, good job. Welcome. And it will only get better.
Anthony.
It was okay. The thing about it, you can't, I mean, you're singing that and it's about passion and it's about, you have to kind of play a role. You can't be smiling and looking like, you were a little too sort of taken away by your own sort of self. You kind of have to kind of act out the song. So we want to hear you, but we also want to see what you bring to it in terms of performance.
All right, thanks, judges.